Oh, those confusing silver cents. Let's learn how to quickly check how to tell if it's a nickel, dime, or a quarter. How do we tell them apart? All right, welcome to Learn with me, Mrs. Sullivan. Let's find out how we do that. The part of the coin that has the face on it is called the heads, which makes sense. It shows someone's head. The other side is called the tails. Now, with silver cents, looking at the heads is going to be pretty helpful because the tails change a lot on different kinds of money. So here we have the 5 cents, the nickel. Nickel and neck. Nickel and neck both start with N. That's a trick. You're going to remember the neck of this fancy outfit here that Thomas Jefferson is wearing on the front of the nickel. He's got a nifty neck on the nickel. The back, a lot of them have his house, Monticello, and they nicely tell you that it's worth 5 cents here on the tails. Nifty neck nickel, 5 cents. This is the dime. It is smaller than the nickel. The dime has Franklin Delano Roosevelt on the head side. We call him FDR for short. And it even says 1 dime on the tail side. Now, doesn't have is the doesn't, and dime, dime, dime start with duh. So FDR doesn't have long hair and he doesn't show really much of his clothes or even his neck. So he doesn't have long hair. He doesn't show off what he's going to wear. So that's the dime. Doesn't show you much. Doesn't dime with 10 cents. Here is the quarter. Surprisingly, it's only a little bit larger than the nickel, and this confuses us sometimes. Luckily, it says on the front $quarter. It's 25 cents. The back has so many different things it could be. If it says the name of a state, that is going to be a quarter. Now, looking at the head side of the quarter, we see George Washington. He's got the long hair, he's got the ponytail, and he has an enormous, strong neck. It is like quantum neck. A big, giant quantum neck on the quarter. You can see really his whole neck. Definitely looks like George Washington works out. He was a big, strong guy, always working hard on the farm. So look for that big, strong neck on the quarter to know it's worth 25 cents. So, silver cents. How to quickly tell them apart? Look at the heads. Nifty neck is the nickel, 5 cents. Doesn't have ponytail, fancy things is the doesn't dime, 10 cents. And the quantumly huge neck here is the quarter. The quarter is 25 cents. If you ever have the chance, look at a nickel and quarter side by side. This is the one that most people get confused because their size is pretty close. But remember, nifty neck nickel, quantum quarter neck. And that should help you out a lot. I hope you'll get to use these cool clues to help you tell the nickel, dime, and quarter apart. Nickel is 5 cents, dime is 10 cents, and quarter is 25 cents. Thanks for watching Learn with me, Mrs. Sullivan.